7 डेज के बाद मदर महामाया इस बार हुआ था, प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी फादर को, शुद्धोधन को। 7 डेज का बेबी है, इसका देखभाल प्लेस में सबसे अच्छा कौन कर सकता है? देखा मदर की सिस्टर मौसी होती माँ जैसी, उनका नेम था प्रजापति गौतमी नेम गौतम, एलाइटमेंट होता उसको कहते बुद्ध, हो गए गौतम।
Just after 7 days of the birth of Gautam Buddha's mother's had gone like sick and frail, So now, who was the person to look after Buddha? It was Buddha's mother's sister, which is like mother. So she was known with the name of Gautami, and therefore he picked up his name from there as Gautam.
सेकंड पे ना एक चैरिट रथ बना, उसमें मैन खड़ा है, मैन के सामने टी जैसा अम्ब्रेला है, अम्ब्रेला मतलब बुद्धा है, वो एकदम सिद्धार्थ था। और जो मैन है चैरिट को चलाने वाला इनका सारथी है छंदक। सिद्धार्थ को ओनली 1 डे टाउन विजिट का मौका मिला प्लेस से बाहर जाने का। सिद्धार्थ रथ पर बैठे प्लेस से बाहर आते हो। उन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम 4 मैन देखे थे, 1 2 3 4। पहला कमंडल पकड़े साधु सन्यासी होली मैन, सेकंड हाथ में स्टिक लाठी रखे बूढ़ा ओल्ड मैन, थर्ड को देखें इससे कोई बीमार व्यक्ति, लास्ट वाला हाफ बॉडी डेड बॉडी है, मरा हुआ इंसान। सिद्धार्थ ने सारथी से पूछा था ये क्या है? सारथी कहता है मनुष्य की लाइफ में ऐसा चेंज होता है, जैसे इनका माइंड चेंज हो जाता है।
Now, can you see the scene there? You can see a man sitting in the chariot. He's holding an umbrella. So that's Gautam Buddha, because he earlier was a prince. He wasn't an ordinary person. So his father was a king of one of the princely states in the eastern part of India, and where he was brought up as a prince. And in fact, his life was predicted by one of the scholars and the holy men that he would either become a great man, a warrior, or a monk, So while he was only allowed to go out once in his life out of the palace, so he has his charioteer. While he was on his way, he saw these 4 guys standing there. Can you see? The one is holding a little sort of a, the first one. He's holding a little, kind of a container. So that is a holy man. Then the second one is a man holding with a stick. He's an old man. Then comes the sick man, and the last one is his eyes are closed. Can you see? So that's a dead man. Now what happens is, Buddha was much, very keen to know as to, is this the part of life? Does it happen to everybody? So the charioteer says, well, yes, that is the stage of life. And in everyone's life, the stages come. And one day, everyone takes a birth. And after having passed these stages, one leaves for the heavenly abode. And that is when Buddha was not satisfied, but he really wanted to see as to what exactly the truth was. And that's when he renounces everything.
यहाँ देखे ट्री मतलब कपिल वस्तु बुद्धा टीचिंग दे रहे हैं, सभी लोग हाथ जोड़ के टीचिंग सुन रहे हैं।
He's preaching.
जी पीछे बैठी पब्लिक इसके कान में कुछ कह रहे हैं, दोनों आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं, कान लगा के बातों को सुन रहे। बुद्धा का टीचिंग नहीं, डिस्टर्ब पैदा कर रहा है, बैड वेंचर गॉसिपिंग कुछ टाइम भी थे, आज ही चलती रहेगी, इसको कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकता।
Now while Buddha was preaching, giving his sermons, could you see, like everyone is folding his hand and everyone trying to hear him properly, but there's 2 men here in the middle, and he's trying to whisper something in his ear. So perhaps this was anti-Buddha whispering was going on.
Okay.
And even those days,
people were really rebelling.
Yes. So that's what it signifies. Look at the facial features of these people. They seem to be horrified. Can you see? Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. Here he's trying to whisper. That means these people are little in the size, little more grown up. They are bigger than the other ones. Other ones. That means they are really religious heads, And they may have thought that after when he starts preaching and brings in this religion into existence, perhaps our existence would not be like, is all in danger. And thus, there's a whispering going on there.
It's so symbolic, isn't it?
It is, yes, yeah.
सर अपने कोई वीआईपी आता है, क्या करते हैं मतलब सोफा पिलो लगाते हैं बैठने के लिए। भैया देखो सबकी पिलो लगी है ना, अब पिलो चेक करो, इसका बैलेंस तो ये आ गया, पूरा पिलो दबा ये उठा हुआ पोस्टर, इसका बैलेंस ये गया, पूरा पोर्शन दब गया उठ गया, ये टर्न करके बातें सुना, इसका बैलेंस काना गद्दी उठ गई। ऐसा मेटेरियल उस टाइम भी था, हमारे आज भी तो है, पहले कार्टन की बनती है, फोम की बनती है।
Now he tells me about these cushions on which these important people are sitting. Important people in the sense, perhaps they are the religious heads from different religion or maybe from the same religion. But there's a gossip going on. Since they are important people, even today, when any VIP or important person comes, sofas and couches are placed for them so that they can have a seat. But now, when it comes to the artist's art, he's tried to depict it in so wonderful way that, everything is not imaginary. He's shown it here. Of course, he imagined it, but he's shown it here. Have a look. The weight of the body, they're quite built up, big. The weight of the body is seen down there, like he's got heavy weight. It is pressed hard. It is like very thin left out. This man, he's whispering it. Most of the weight of the body is this side, and therefore this seems to be pressed more. This is lifted up. His legs are also lifted up like this way. Further up, he's talking to him. Same here. It is further down here. And then here, it is like it's lifted up. Same
Very
way.
lifelike.
And like this one as well here. It goes further down here. You can see the size of the bottoms as well here. It is seen small. Here is big, and here is flat here totally. And here there's less weight here, so the cushion seems to be little up.
इसलिए कहते थे अतिथि देवो भव, अतिथि हमारा ईश्वर होता है। क्या
That's why we have a saying in Hindi, Atithi Devo Bhava, which means guest is as good as God. And therefore, when the guest comes, he's got to be honored in every possible manner, and therefore I've been honoring you as well.
तो आपका पसंद देखेंगे सर, स्तूपा बना है। स्तूप मतलब बुद्ध है।
हाँ,
या विदेशियों को बुद्ध का स्तूपा क्यों प्रेयर, विदेशी कौन, ग्रीक। ग्रीस को कैसे टेली करे, तो हेयर स्टाइल, दूसरा ड्रेस, स्कोट पहने, म्यूजिक स्टेप भाग इनको चेंजेस और लॉन्ग बूट पहने, फॉरेन कंट्री से प्रेजेंट आए। तो सांची में ग्रीक आर्किटेक्चर बहुत है।
अच्छा, now if you look at the kind of an umbrella, that's a stupa there. Now a lot of Greek influence is there, because maybe those days Greeks may have come into the place and would have had been seeing the place, may have adopted the religion as well. So if you look on top, look at the facial features of the people there, right from top, in case if you come down on the left here. थोड़ा सा मुझे देंगे वो मैं,
वही देख रहा हूँ गड़बड़ को।
this one here,
Yeah, over there.
this one here, like although they seem to be joining hands, but if you look at the hairstyle right in the middle there, can you see? He's got curly hair, like the Greeks would have those days. And I am of the opinion that is Greek influence, because Megasthenes and Alexander was here of Macedonia. He was here, so may have had copied these hairstyle from them, and these people may have, because the facial features are quite different, bigger to Indians, they're like little flattened, Look at the shoes, the boots they're putting on.
It's lace,
Yes.
like the Romans.
Yeah, like the Romans. Like, look at the mustaches, look at the drums, look at the caps and the trumpets, and they're wearing skirts like up to here,
Yeah.
which the Greeks are in the habit of putting, like the Scottish.
सेकेंड ट्री मीन बुद्ध, वैशाली बिहार में। वैशाली में बुद्ध का फर्स्ट टाइम एंट्री होता है, तो वो लेडीज बुद्ध को गिफ्ट प्रेजेंट कर रही है। मंकी को देखो सर, एक बाउल में फॉरेस्ट से हनी कलेक्ट कर रहा है, बुद्ध को हनी ऑफर कर रहा है। बुद्ध जी हनी एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, सेकंड मंकी डांस करता है।
Now, there's two women, they're trying to honor the Gautam Buddha, which is the tree, can you see? Right there. And the monkeys were also there, they even wanted to honor Buddha. He collects honey from the tree, from there. Can you see the honeycombs
Yes.
there? And he's offering it to Buddha there in the bowl. Can you see?
Yes.
Here he is, this one here.
सर यहाँ देखें, ट्री मीन बुद्ध, बुद्ध रिटर्न होते हैं कपिल वस्तु, फादर शुद्धोधन, मौसीमा प्रजापति गौतमी से मिलने। शुद्धोधन मतलब बेटों को ही बुद्ध मान का नमस्कार कर रहे हैं। इसको किंग कैसे कहेगी, देखो उस पर अम्ब्रेला रोल फैमिली अम्ब्रेला होता है। सेकंड राशि हाथ में चावड़ा के एयर के लिए हवा की है। जहाँ अप्सराओं को, गंधर्व को बुद्ध का आकाश से वेलकम।
Now if you look at this panel here, right in the middle, that's the king. And just behind is the aunt of Gautam Buddha. And this one, little boy, he thinks like he's Gautam Buddha. And on top you can see the beautiful woman from angels from the heavens. So that's what it is depicted out here.
Yep.
And how do I know that that's a king? Because every king would have an umbrella on top. So that means he's a king there.
ये सर गेट कीपर द्वारपाल।
These are like the keepers of the gate. This is CCTV of the modern era.
सर गेट का नेम होता है तोरना। तोरण मतलब वेलकम, और वेलकम गेट पे गेस्ट को वेलकम फूलों से लोटस से, हर गेट के ठप्पा लोटस।
Now in Hindi we call it as Torana. Like remember when we were in the abandoned city long back? I showed you the place where the astronomer would sit.
Yes.
Yeah, he would sit and depict about life of the third Mughal emperor. So it was all very well decorated. The gatekeepers are there on either side, and then while you enter, the shower of flowers has got to be there. Therefore, the lotus flower on top. Can you see?
Yes.
There, the lotus flower is on top.
और ये लैंग्वेज अपना पाली है, भाषा पाली है।
This is the Pali language here. Remember, I told you when we were reading the board there.
यस।
That's the Pali language here.
इन्होंने मनी डोनेट किया था 200 BC में इसको बनाने के लिए।
This person had donated
200 BC before Christ.
200 BC.
हाँ 200 BC.
200 BC before Christ, and that's his name is depicted here.
ये विदिशा के बिग बिजनेसमैन हैं.
He is a businessman of